Phantom Wallet started focused on Solana and now supports various cryptocurrencies. Designed by experienced computer scientists for a user-friendly crypto experience through its browser extension and mobile app. This is Habesha Crypto, and today we're guiding you through the essential steps of using Phantom Wallet, from setting up your wallet to exploring its advanced features. How to download the wallet. Now let's walk through how to get started with Phantom Wallet. First, visit the official Phantom Wallet website or your app store. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, Phantom offers both a browser extension and a mobile app for your convenience. From there, download the browser extension compatible with your device or install the mobile app for Android or iOS. The installation process is quick and straightforward, ensuring that even beginners can get started with ease. Setting up your wallet. Now that you've downloaded Phantom Wallet, let's set up your wallet for use. Begin by inputting the secure password you created earlier. This password ensures only you can access your wallet on that device, so make sure it's strong and memorable. Next, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of storing your recovery phrase securely. This recovery phrase is a set of words that acts as a backup for your wallet. Write it down and store it in a safe place offline. It's your lifeline to regain access to your wallet if your device is lost or damaged. Once you've securely stored your recovery phrase, your wallet is ready to use. You'll see a confirmation message indicating your wallet is set up and ready for transactions. Depositing funds. To start using Phantom Wallet, you need to deposit funds into your wallet. There are two main ways to do this. First, you can purchase cryptocurrencies directly through the wallet using services like MoonPay or Coinbase Pay. These providers allow you to buy crypto using fiat currencies seamlessly within Phantom, making it convenient for newcomers to get started. They also support a variety of payment methods, including credit cards and bank transfers, to make the process as easy as possible. Alternatively, if you already have cryptocurrencies in another wallet or exchange, you can transfer them into your Phantom Wallet. To do this, simply navigate to the deposit section within Phantom. Select the token you want to deposit, such as SOL for Solana, ETH for Ethereum, or MAEIC for Polygon. Copy the deposit address provided by Phantom and use it to transfer your funds from the external wallet or exchange. This process typically takes a few minutes, depending on the network congestion. Transferring and swapping tokens. To send tokens to another wallet, start by copying the recipient's wallet address. Within Phantom, simply click on the token you wish to send, like SOL for Solana, ETH for Ethereum, or MATIC for Polygon. Paste the recipient's address, enter the amount of tokens you want to send, and confirm the transaction. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid sending funds to the wrong recipient. Phantom also offers a cross-chain swapper feature, allowing you to bridge tokens between different blockchains seamlessly. Suppose you want to convert Ethereum tokens to Solana tokens. Begin by selecting the cross-chain swapper in Phantom. Choose Ethereum as your starting blockchain and Solana as your destination. Enter the amount you wish to swap, review the transaction details, and confirm the swap. This feature is particularly useful for diversifying your portfolio and taking advantage of opportunities across different blockchain ecosystems. Solana-only mode. For those seeking a streamlined experience, Phantom offers Solana-only mode. By enabling this feature, you can focus exclusively on your Solana assets, hiding non-Solana tokens, transaction history, and NFTs from Ethereum and Polygon networks. This optimization ensures a clean and efficient interface tailored specifically for managing your Solana investments and activities. Exploring Phantom mobile app features. The Phantom mobile app is packed with exciting features to enhance your crypto journey. One standout feature is Camera Mint, allowing you to effortlessly create Solana NFTs using your photos or videos. Simply snap a picture or record a short video within the app, add a name and description, and mint your own unique NFT in just a few taps. This feature makes it easy for anyone to get involved in the NFT space without needing technical expertise. Additionally, Phantom offers tasks within the app that allow you to earn commemorative NFTs. By completing these tasks, you can collect exclusive digital assets that celebrate your engagement with the platform. These NFTs can serve as a fun way to track your progress and accomplishments within the Phantom ecosystem. Managing wallet security. Now, let's have a look at managing the security of your Phantom wallet, which is crucial for keeping your assets safe. You can access your wallet settings easily within the app or browser extension. Here, you'll find options to view your recovery phrase, a critical backup that ensures you can regain access to your funds if needed. It's incredibly important to keep both your password and recovery phrase secure. Treat them like you would treat your bank PIN or a valuable document. Never share them with anyone and store them in a safe place, preferably offline. These measures significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your wallet and funds. Additionally, consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Advanced features. Let's talk about some advanced features of the Phantom wallet. One standout feature is its support for multiple accounts and wallets. This means you can manage more than one wallet address all within a single application. Creating and importing multiple accounts is straightforward. Within the Phantom app or browser extension, you have the option to set up new accounts or import existing ones. This flexibility allows you to organize and segregate your assets conveniently, whether you're managing personal finances or exploring different investment strategies across various cryptocurrencies. You can also label and categorize your accounts to keep everything organized. Using Phantom with dApps. Phantom Wallet isn't just for storing and transferring cryptocurrencies. It also allows you to interact with a wide range of decentralized applications, dApps. Whether you're interested in DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, or blockchain games, Phantom provides seamless integration with these services. Simply connect your wallet to a dApp, authorize the connection, and start exploring the decentralized web. This functionality opens up a world of possibilities for using your crypto assets in innovative ways. Phantom Wallet is designed for ease and versatility, ideal for managing your crypto effortlessly. Explore decentralized apps, dApps, across various blockchains like Salana, Ethereum, and Polygon with Phantom's user-friendly interface. Subscribe for more tutorials and stay updated. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Phantom Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Habesha Crypto for more insights and guides on navigating the crypto world.